Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can reset your Amazon Fire Stick. It's very simple, very straightforward. So you come straight here. So after you move through all the list of your apps, this is the next one. That's, you see the J icon close to it. You select it, you scroll down, you come to my Fire TV. After you click on my Fire TV, you have different options here. You have the options, the about, the legal and compliance, to sleep your Fire TV stick, to restart it, and then to reset to factory default. So I will not be resetting mine, but this is pretty much all you just need to do. You click on reset, and as soon as you reset it, it is going to remove all personal data and downloaded content from your Amazon Fire Stick 4K. So it will reset it to factory settings, and you'd have to re-enter your password for your Wi-Fi and other details that you'll be needing.